Looking for a cloud platform that promises flexibility, easy collaboration, and fast deployment? Clouding EO is one option you might have come across, but does it really live up to the hype? I tested it, and here's my honest review. Clouding EO is a cloud hosting platform that allows you to deploy virtual private servers, manage storage, and run applications with a few clicks. It's marketed as user-friendly and fast, which is appealing if you're not a technical expert. You can choose server specifications, operating systems, and locations to match your needs. One of the standout features is simplicity. You can spin up a new server in minutes, scale resources as needed, and access a control panel that's more intuitive than many competitors. It also offers API integration for developers, which is handy if you want to automate tasks or deploy applications programmatically. Performance is decent. In my tests, Clouding EO delivered consistent uptime and speed comparable to larger providers for small to medium workloads. Pricing is transparent and competitive, making it accessible for startups and solo developers. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's ideal for heavy enterprise applications. Clouding EO is best suited for personal projects, testing environments, or small businesses. Large-scale enterprise deployments may require more robust infrastructure, advanced security options, and global redundancy than Clouding EO currently offers. Support is another point to consider. Clouding EO offers documentation, tutorials, and chat support, but response times can vary. If you rely on rapid enterprise-grade support, this is an area to keep in mind. In conclusion, Clouding EO is a solid choice if you want easy-use, cost-effective cloud hosting for personal projects or small businesses. It delivers speed, flexibility, and a clean interface without overwhelming you with complexity. Subscribe for more tech reviews, hosting comparisons, and step-by-step guides to help you pick the right tools for your projects.